Gentlemen, I call to react to what I heard as about National Working Committee suspending Ayodele Fayose, referring the governor of Benue State, Dr. Ortom, Samuel Ortom, to the disciplinary committee of the party for anti-party activity. I want to state clearly and let members of the party and Nigeria hear it clearly. The National Working Committee, made up of Dr. Yachayu, who they say is the chairman of the party, Samuel, a national secretary, who they say is the secretary of the party, and other members of the National Working Committee cannot, I repeat, cannot suspend Ayodele Fayose. Not to talk about referring Governor Ortom to the National Disciplinary Committee. Ortom will not appear. Hear me and hear me well. Ortom will not appear before the so-called disciplinary committee. And let me say clearly to you, this is the fight of all political wars. This is the mother of the fight of political war. We will not, you cannot cage any of us. You cannot cage any of us. Ortom will not appear before your so-called disciplinary committee. Ayodele Fayose will also never. You cannot suspend him. If there's any suspension, it should be you who played anti-party by refusing to obey the constitution of the party, of zoning, or political offices as is required. So whoever tells you you can't, please tell the person that he's not serious. So I want to let the world know. No member of G5, if you like to that you refer to fight anybody, you cannot fight anybody. You don't have what it takes. You've lost everything. We who love this party, who have given this party everything it requires to be alive today, are those to speak for this party. So if you're talking about anti-party, it is you who could not even deliver your unit, deliver your word, because of the fraudulent activities you are involved. People have lost hope in you. That's why you cannot win your unit, win your word. You cannot. So Governor Ortom, who has stood firm for the unity of this country, Governor Ortom, who has come out openly to say that Nigeria must be one, is not the type you will say that he should refer to that kangaroo committee. It will not work. You have opened up a new chapter of the political war, and we're ready. It doesn't matter whether we live as governor in the next 2 months or not. You are who you are, and will not relent to fight back. So this is a so-called suspension of Ayodele Fayose and other members of the party. I've not gotten all their full details. The members are suspended. But referring a governor to a so-called disciplinary committee is the height of all insult. And we will not take it. And therefore be ready for whatever you see as far as our party is concerned. Gentlemen, I thank you and God bless you.
States.